Hey garden lovers, welcome back to the Celtic Farm, where we share the best tips and tricks to make your garden thrive. Today we're tackling a common gardening myth. Is garden soil suitable for pots? Spoiler alert, it's not. Stick around to find out why and what you should be using instead. And if you love gardening as much as we do, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's start with why garden soil doesn't work well in pots. Garden soil is heavy, dense, and tends to compact over time. In a pot, this can lead to poor drainage and root problems. Take a look at this. This soil is too dense, trapping water and suffocating the roots. Over time, compacted soil can lead to root rot and poor plant growth. You want happy, healthy roots like these, not sad, suffocated ones. So, what's the solution? Use a high-quality potting mix designed for containers. Potting mix is lightweight and specially formulated for pots. It includes materials like peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite, which improve drainage and aeration. Check this out. Pours potting mix into a pot. This mix is light and fluffy, perfect for your plants. It keeps the soil aerated and ensures water drains well, preventing those nasty root rot issues. With potting mix, your plants get the right balance of moisture and air. Look how healthy and vibrant these plants are. Remember, the key to successful container gardening is using the right soil. Say goodbye to garden soil in pots and switch to potting mix for happy, healthy plants. Did you find this tip helpful? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your gardening friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you're always in the loop. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video. Bye.